This is a video of the beach in Carpinteria. It's the 19th of February. I'm at the mouth of the creek here, where freshwater meets the ocean. This is the ocean out here. It's 5 o'clock local time, 8 o'clock East Coast time. Behind us are the mountains. Very nice. Fitness enthusiast. There's a snowy egret out here. It's sort of a mid-tide, not really a low tide. There goes the snowy. And this is a ring-billed gull. I just bought a guide today. And back this way is Carpinteria Beach. And that's about all the time I have now, or this will be too big of a video. Bye for now.